Hello, everyone. My name is Ammon Carson, and this is my nonprofit page called SmellLess for the Homeless. Quick tour of the site. Got our navigation menu up here, our main slider, about us, the problem, the solution, some bios, and then the call to action. And so that's kind of an overview of the site. The main purpose of my site, the site is actually intended to be a little bit humorous and is not intended to poke fun at the plight of being homeless. That being said, the main purpose of my website is to entice viewers to donate money to my cause. That cause is providing deodorant to the homeless in their local area. Hence, smell less for the homeless, so that they don't have to smell so much. The end user can then come down here and donate money, and that money will go towards funding the purchase and distribution of deodorant to the homeless. In regards to my main design decisions, I wanted the coloring of the site to help you feel kind of the drabness and despair of being homeless and smelling terrible. And then I added the yellow accent here in order to provide that feeling of hope. That yellow also stands out and makes it easy for you guys to navigate the page. In regards to fonts, I actually just chose Open Sans font because it is really common on the web and it's just easy to read. For the layout, I chose this layout specifically for the variety with each row in an easily navigable site. Repetition is used in my fonts, coloring, and design. Proximity is crystal clear with each of these distinguishable areas. Contrast makes reading and viewing very easy. And my alignment provides a variety and gives each section its own feel. So that's kind of the design decisions I made. What I learned most and what was most difficult while making this website. So first and foremost, the thing that I learned most this semester is how to specify selectors while styling. On occasion, it was really challenging just to determine which selector I needed, but then writing the CSS to get there was really fun and a great learning experience. The hardest part for me was working on a more rigid environment where there are already styles in place. I had to be flexible and think outside the box. Since I could not add my own HTML, it provided additional challenges, like the fact that I couldn't get my logo to show up here. I was able to get this little favicon, but I couldn't get my logo to show up, even following all the instructions. So that was probably one of my biggest challenges. It made things really hard. But overall, it was a great experience, and I think I'll be able to take these skills forward and apply them to all my future projects and eventually my future job. Thanks for watching my presentation. That's SmellLess for the Homeless by Ammon Carson.